Hello and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So for today's video, I am going to teach you how to create and send invoice in QuickBooks. So I'm going to teach you the step-by-step process and how you can do that. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you don't miss any important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So first things first, what you need to do is to head over to QuickBooks and then just log into your account. And after logging in, from this section right here, just go to your sales. Click onto your sales just like so. So before you issue an invoice or before you create an invoice, you actually need to set up your customers and products and services first. So since that is not part of our tutorial, I will not include that one. So let us directly go to process and how you can create your invoice. So once you are in the sales section right here, just select or click onto this create invoice button right here. And once you have done that, you should be able to see this on your screen. So now the first thing that you need to do is to simply select your customer. So since I don't have a setup customer for my account, or for my QuickBooks, I'm just going to select sample customer. And then if you have an email account or for an email account set up for that customer, their email account will be automatically filled in the section right here. And then for the billing address also, that will apply. So when you set up your customer again, that is given. So for the terms, you actually have different options right here. So if it is due on receipt, when they receive their invoice, they are required to pay you immediately. So you can opt for 15 days, 30 days, or 60 days. So that means that they have 15 days to pay you. And then I'm just going to set it the due on receipt. And then as you can see right here, the invoice date is the same as the due date because of this right here. And then you can also start, or you can also add tags right here if you want to do that. And then now let us go to this section right here. So for the service date, you can just select the date that you render the service for your customer, for the product or service. So I'm just going to select services, and for the description, I'm going to put video creation right here. And for the quantity of it, I'm just going to put 5, and then for the rate, I'm going to put 20, just for an example. Then there you go, it will automatically calculate the amount or the balance due. And then you can also have a message on invoice if you want to do that, a message on statement, and an attachment. So once you have done all of that and you are satisfied with all of the information that you have input in your invoice, what you need to do, or what you can do, is to simply save that invoice if you want to do that, or save and send. So when you click on save and send, the invoice will be saved on your account, and then it will automatically be sent to your customer, unless if you have checked this option right here that says send later. So this option allows you to send your invoice later. So I'm just going to click save and send, and then there you go, that is your invoice. And just click send and close. So you can also opt for print to print it if you want to do so. I'm just going to send and close it. And once you are in your invoices section in your sales, you should be able to see that invoice. So it is this one right here, invoice 1004. So that's it for this video. That's how you can create and send invoice in QuickBooks. So I hope this video helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button so you don't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.